guys, today we're gonna draw a Pikachu. And I'm done. Right, even though you didn't see,
What are we drawing? What are we drawing?
Pikachu.
A Pikachu, okay. Okay, what's the first step?
So we make our papers like this.
Okay.
And we make a circle.
A circle. Show them. And then what's next?
And then another circle.
Another circle.
Even though I didn't draw a circle.
Okay. And then?
Okay, and then the ear. No. Then wait. You might draw the ears wrong, kinda.
It should be big.
Can I raise yours?
Your cheeks is very pink again.
This one feels like a bunny.
Okay. What's
And
next?
then, like these kind of flower things.
Okay.
And write these big circles, but not like a circle. Just
Like half circle. Okay.
And we draw for the feet.
It's so tiny.
Yeah. These
Okay.
they're kind of small, but I'm gonna make. See, these are the foot. And we're gonna make adorable eyes.
Adorable eyes.
Yeah. Do. And you can make it a boy or not. If you're a girl, then
Is Pikachu a boy or a girl?
a boy, but I'm gonna make mine a girl.
Oh, I
So-
didn't know you can do that. Okay.
Okay? These can
Show them the adorable eyes.
Okay, and then this nose.
Okay.
And this nose.
Okay.
Okay. And this mouth.
Okay.
And now add details.
What are you adding? The eyelashes?
Yeah. For girls?
And you can add the bow to the
girls.
ears.
Yeah. Mom, my class are right. Even though it's my mom.
Show them the details that you add.
What if you guys make a sun? Because if you add and
And show them what you added.
the floor and the sun and the clouds. Yes. Now time to color.
What are we doing now?
Coloring.
Show them. Pikachu. Nice. Are you sleeping?
No, I'm laying down because you tell me.
What do you want to tell them?
Whoever follows me wins. Hooray! Hi guys, I finished my Pikachu. Okay, like and subscribe. Hi guys, I finished my journey.
Too close. We did not see it. Nice.
Oops, and she went away.